At this point, I don't think there's many secrets left to using YouTube as an affiliate marketer to make money online. Of course, the first secret is just simply to build a channel and grow your following. The next secret, obviously, is to focus on the type of content that you create, to include that, like this video here, where I got 155 views and it was a simple review video, letting people know about a product and what that product could do for them. And then, of course, turning those into sales that you see right here this month and over the last 30 days. The big secret that I want to share with you today is a newsletter. It's called YT Secrets Unlocked, and newsletter 5 just came out, and you can see I got the newsletter notification right here in my email inbox. I simply just click there to log in, and then I have access to the newsletter as well as I unlock some training. There's a link in the description. It'll take you over. You can check out this page right here that will tell you everything that you need to know about this newsletter from Rob Borsick. Again, not a whole lot left other than knowing that you can use YouTube as a traffic source as an affiliate marketer. You can see my affiliate sales right here from the video right here and a few other videos on my channel. The idea and the concept here is you get the newsletter, you get key issues or key facts, key points that you need to focus on. For example, forget consistency, practice is what you need, quality over quantity. And then also I am a guest poster inside of the newsletter. I have a standing article now since volume 4, and this is volume 5. You can see here I cover feed the algorithm and how to get more views, a little deep dive into the YouTube analytics. And of course, in volume 4, Rob Borsick, the creator of YouTube or YT Secrets Unlock, the newsletter, talked about what happened when he lost his video editor with the big TikTok ban that happened here in the United States. And then of course, this was my first article here as a contributor, and I'll be contributing following every month going forward. Don't fret over analytics in the beginning, just get better. Here, I talk about a very specific thing called CTR. And again, the focus here is you will get this newsletter every month in your email inbox. Because again, no big secrets about using YouTube to build a following and to create content and then use that content to make affiliate sales like I've done here. But once you're inside the members area, again, you have the newsletter right here. If you click start, or when you click start, you'll see all the volumes. You'll also see a newsletter article index. That is simply an index here showing you the titles of the article. So if you're looking for a specific article, for example, anything about analytics right now is currently the stuff that I'm throwing in there. So for example, don't fret over analytics in the beginning, just get better. And then another analytical type article, feed the algorithm, talking about the different types of algorithms and how you can feed that algorithm so you can get more views and turn more views into affiliate sales. There's a link in the description for this last secret that you need to know that I wanted to share with you today. YT Secrets Unlocked, the newsletter, link in the description. You'll land on this page, just click this green button right here. It'll take you to the checkout page. It's only $5. If you want to unlock the workshop, you can just toggle the switch and grab that as well. One more secret other than the newsletter itself is using the newsletter plus the power of AI. Here inside of Notebook LM from Google, I've created a YT Secrets Unlocked newsletter. I've simply just uploaded each PDF as they are delivered to me each month. And you can see here a note that I saved. This is a chat about how the YT Secrets Unlocked newsletter offers several insights and strategies that can help you become a better affiliate marketer using YouTube to build your email list. Here's a breakdown of how the information in the issue can be applied. Then it breaks down a few of the key ways to use the newsletter and the facts that you're going to learn, the tips, the tricks, the hints, the secrets, if you will, all inside the newsletter. And of course, you can also power that up or combine that and power it up with the power of AI. Link in the description. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.